Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need the device unlocked and your Apple ID active. Start now by opening Settings and confirming Face ID or Touch ID is enabled for Notes. Once done, go to the Notes app and tap a locked note. If Face ID or Touch ID succeeds, you regain access instantly. If biometric fails, try the password. Sometimes a recent password change causes confusion. Pause and think of variants, common suffixes, or recent changes. This first step confirms whether recovery is immediate or more involved. If biometrics didn't work, make sure iCloud keychain is on. Open Settings, right arrow your name, right arrow iCloud, right arrow keychain, and look for saved passwords on a Mac or iPad. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Notes, right arrow Password to see the account list. You can reset the Notes password here, but note, reset only affects new locks, not old notes. Once done, check any other Apple device that shares iCloud. An older device might still have the original unlocked note available for export. If you locate an unlocked copy on another device, immediately export it. Use Share to email or save to files for safekeeping. Then reset your note's password in Settings so new locks use a known credential. Remember, this won't unlock previous notes locked with the old password. If a note remains inaccessible, gather proof of ownership and contact Apple support. Explain the issue, provide device serial and Apple ID. They can confirm policies, but cannot decrypt notes without the original password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.